going to perform some of the examples under this factorization of any quadratic polynomials. So, here under this let us perform the example, that is number 1. Factorize six minus x minus 2x square. So, we have to factorize the polynomial which is given for us, that is 6 minus x minus 2x square. So, 6 minus x minus 2x square is the given polynomial. First of all, let us arrange the terms of the given polynomial in the ascending order of the degree. So, here 3 terms, it consists of 3 terms. The first term is of 6, the second term is of x with negative sign, third term is of 2x square with negative sign. So, by arranging the terms as per the order of the degree, say highest degree is of 2. So, here 2x square is the first term, then now I am going to write the 2x square as the first term with negative sign, 2x square with negative sign. Then next degree with 1, that is x to the power of 1 with sign minus. Then the constant 6 sign is of positive, so I want to write it as positive. So, here I have arranged the terms of the given polynomial as per the degree of the decreasing degree of the variable. Then now, so that implies, so overall I want to take minus sign as common. When minus sign is taken as common, just 2x square is left over within the bracket. When minus sign is written in front of the bracket, the signs inside the bracket will be changed. Minus x will becomes the plus x, then now plus x as minus x. So, here we got this step by taking minus sign as common. Then now, so here we have to write the factors of 2x square plus x minus 6. So, minus into 2x square is minus 2x square, then now minus of plus is minus, then now minus of that is x, minus of minus is of plus 6. Then now I want to find out, I want to split this plus 1x, say here x coefficient is of 1, I want to write plus 1 as plus 4x and minus 3x. So, I want to write plus 1 as plus 4 and minus 3. So, plus into minus is of minus, we have to subtract. So, here plus 4 and minus 3 is equals to. So, here plus into minus is of minus. So, we have to subtract greater minus least, 4 minus 3 is of 1. So, here among these two 4 and 3, so 4 is greater, its sign is of positive. So, here it possesses the or it assesses the plus 1 plus sign. So, plus 1 can be written as minus 4 minus plus 4 minus 3. So, here that implies minus of 2x square written as it is instead of plus 1x. So, here instead of plus 1x I can write it as plus 4x minus 3x. Plus 1x is written as plus 4x and minus 3x, then now minus 6 is written as it is. So, here plus into minus is of minus, we have to subtract 4x minus 3x is of 1x, then now to assess the sign of 1x. So, plus is greater, 4 is greater than 3, so its sign is of positive, it is of positive. So, instead of plus 1x, so I wrote it as plus 4x minus 3x. Then now, so that implies minus of among first two terms, so that is 2x square and 4x. So, I want to take 2 as common. So, this 4 can be written as 2 into 2, and here the least one is of x, it is of x square. I want to take one more x as common. If 2 is taken out as common in the first term of the first group, and as well as there are 2 x terms, then now 1 x is taken as common and one more x will be left over inside the bracket, plus 2 number of times is of 2, 2 2s is of 4 and x already taken out as common. Then out of the last 2 terms, that is minus 3x minus 6, I want to take minus sign as common. So, it is assessed for both the terms of the second group. Then now 3 also can be taken as common now. Then now when minus 3 is taken out as common, then only x is left over inside the bracket, since minus sign is in front of the bracket. So, minus sign will be changed as plus sign within the bracket. So we can check up minus into 3x is minus 3x, then now plus minus 3 into 2 is of 6, 3 2s is of 6, then now minus of plus is minus. So bracket close, then now here among these two terms, so here x plus 2 and x plus 2 is present in both the terms. I can take x plus 2 as common now. So that implies minus, when x plus 2 is taken out as common, then now only 2x is left over within the in the first term, then now minus, when x plus 2 is taken out as common, just minus 3 is left over as the in this within the bracket. Therefore, minus of x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 are the factors, or in other words, so here that implies x plus 2 must be written as it is. When we insert this minus sign within this bracket, minus of 2x will becomes minus 2x, then now minus of minus will become plus 3, or this can also be written as, so x plus 2, so here we can multiply minus sign with either with the first bracket or with the second bracket. So here first bracket written as it is, so here I have inserted or multiplied the second bracket entirely with minus sign. So here minus into 2x is of minus 2x, minus of minus is of plus, then 3 written as it is. So x plus 2 is the first factor, and the second factor I want to write the positive sign first of all, plus of 3 as 3, then now minus 2x. So these two are the factors. So in this manner I got x plus 2 and 3 minus 2x as the factors of 6 minus x minus 2x square. So here, so that implies 6 minus x square is equals to 6 minus x minus 2x square is equals to, the factors are of, so 6 minus x minus 2x square equals to x plus 2 3 minus 2x. So here factors are of x plus 2 is one factor, then the other factor is of 3 minus 2x. So here hence x plus 2 and 3 minus 2x are the factors of quadratic polynomial of given quadratic polynomial that is 6 minus x minus 2x square. So 6 minus x minus 2x square. So in this manner, so we got x plus 2 and 3 minus 2x as the factors of the polynomial which is given as 6 minus x minus 2x square. Then similarly, let us go for the example number 2 of factorizing the given quadratic polynomial. So here factorize factorize 2x square plus x whole square minus 9 into 2x square plus x plus 18. Then now the solution starts. Here the given expression given polynomial is of, so 2x square plus x whole square minus 9 into 2x square plus x plus 18 is given polynomial, is given for us. So we have to factorize it. So here 2x square plus x whole square minus 9 into 2x square plus x. So 2x square plus x is occurring twice. So I want to assume, so here let 2x square plus x as a. So in this manner I have assumed. So our assumption is of 2x square plus x, this bracket, as a. Then that implies 2x square plus x is written as a, but it is squared as per the given polynomial, minus 9 into 2x square plus x must be written as a again, then now plus 18. So that implies a square minus 9a plus 18. So now we have to factorize this polynomial, which is a square minus 9a plus 18. So let us factorize by factorizing polynomial, that is, so we are going to factorize the polynomial a square minus 9a plus 18 by cross method. We can use the cross method, or in other words we can use the splitting of the middle term as sum or the difference of two factors. So here I am utilizing the method called the cross method. So now a square minus 9a plus 18. So that implies a square minus 9a plus 18 can be written as, so by cross method, so first term is of a square, so I want to split it as a into a. So here a square is written as the product of a into a. So here a square equals to a into a in the first case. Then whereas the last term is of 18, so we have to assume in such a manner that, so we have to take the factors in such a manner that the sum of the two factors or the difference of the two factors must be of 9. So we can write 18 as 9 twos is one option, the other procedure is of 6 into 3. So 6 threes is also of 18, or else we will get as 18 by multiplying. So 9 into 2 is of 18 and 6 into 3 is also of 18, but choosing the exact factors is of. So we must get either by adding the two factors or by subtracting the two factors, we must get the middle term, that is 9. So here by adding in the first case, by adding the two terms, that is two factors, 9 plus 2 will be of 11, which is not the middle term. Either by subtracting the two terms, that is 9 minus 2 is of 7, is not the middle term. So here we are going to choose the second one. So here 6 plus 3, addition of the two terms, two factors, 6 plus 3 is of 9. So we can choose 6 and 3. So here, so here 6 threes is of 18. Then now let us cross multiply. So that implies 3 into a is of 3a and 6 into a is of 6a is the next step. Then now to assess the sign of 6a and a as well as 3a. So here we must get the middle term as minus 9a. So we have to get minus 9a. So we have to assess the greater one, the greater number sign as minus. So if I take plus sign here, then a plus of minus will be minus. We have to subtract 6 minus 3 will be of only 3, which is not equal to 9. So here instead of taking plus sign, we have to take negative sign in order to get minus 9a. So minus of minus will be of plus. So we have to add up 6 plus 3 is of 9a's. So here to assess the sign of 9a, we have to choose the greater one among these two. So among 3 and 6, 6 is greater, sign is of negative. Therefore the sign assessed to the 9a is of negative. So in this manner I got minus 9a as the middle term. So here 3 must be assessed as negative, and similarly 6 also must be assessed as negative. Then now therefore, while writing the factors, so here a square minus 9a plus 18 is equals to, factors we have to write as in the horizontal manner. One factor is of a minus 66, the other factor is of a minus 3. So now we got a square minus 9a plus 18 as the product of the two factors, that is a minus 6 and as well as a minus 3. But